Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to create a calculator using Python. Before we starting coding, let's understand the basic thing we need to understand. We need to build for a calculator. First, let's think what we are making. We are making calculator that can do simple mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then how our calculator works. The very first thing is ask the user for a number, then for operator, and shows the answers. After that, let's learn some important concept. First one is variable. Variable is like a box that stored information. For example, we can store a number in variable. Second one is input. It is like a user give information to the program. It is like asking the user a question. Then the operators, it is a mathematical symbol that help to perform a calculation. And then the fourth one is print. It is used to display the information on the screen. And the fifth one is float. A float is a number that contain a decimal point, like 5.5, 3.14, like that. Okay. Now we can now that we understand the basic concept, let build our calculator. So for that we are using Python lab from code.org. Click new project, Python lab, and the console one. This is our user interface. Okay, now let's start building. First we delete this and write num1 is equal to float parenthesis input, again the parenthesis quants, enter first number. Then again repeat the process for number 2. Just change the first one to second. Okay, now now we are choosing the operator, which operator we want to use. So for that we write operator is equal to input parenthesis quants choose parenthesis plus minus multiplication and division. Okay, after that use colon, then don't use the quotes here. Let's close this. Okay, now we use the if. And do you know what is if? The word if means check if something is true. Okay, the computer asks, did the user type a plus sign? If yes, then Python add two numbers and display the result. Okay, so use if operator if operator is equal to if operator want to use the addition, print answer is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, then we use the elif operation, like elif means if operator want to use another, like if the first condition was not true, check this condition. Elif means if the first condition was not true, then check this condition to use elif. Like if they don't want to use the addition sign, then use the subtraction. Operator is equal to minus colon enter print answer num1 minus num2. Then again use, then if operator don't want to use the addition subtraction, then use the multiplication. So again write elif operator is equal to multiplication. And one more thing, in Python multiplication, the star sign used as the multiplication, not the cross one, so just remember this thing. Okay, then print answer num1 multiply num2. Okay, after that now use again elif operator operator is equal to quants, then colon, after that print answer okay, then use the comma and then num1 divided by num2, use everywhere. Okay, after that now the code is ready. Okay, great. Now let's run. Enter the first number, we use 20. Enter the second number, again we use 20. Enter. See, we get the error. Where we get the error? Okay, in input. See, now then again try to run. Take 20, again 20. Choose which operator you want. I choose the addition. See, we get the answer. Okay, now let's try the subtraction one. First, enter the first number, enter the second number, choose operator, minus, enter. See, we now let's run for the multiplication. Enter the first number 2, enter. Second number is also I'm taking 2. Then we choose the multiplication, enter. See, we get the 4. Now again we run for the division 1. So click run. 2, again 2. Okay. See, we get so our code is running now. Great job. We have now creating a simple calculator using Python. It take input from the user and perform calculation to display the answer. Okay, for more detail comment in the comment section and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone.